3 Forex strategies day traders actually use. Number 1. Trend and pullback. First, identify the direction of the market. If price is making higher highs and higher lows, look for buys. Don't chase the price. Wait for it to pull back to a previous level or moving average. Then wait for bullish confirmation. That's your potential entry. Your stop goes below the recent swing low, and your target can be the previous high or the next resistance area. Number 2, breakout and retest. Find a clear resistance or support level. When price breaks through it, don't automatically jump into the trade. Wait for a retest. If resistance becomes support and price rejects the level, you have a potential long setup. The same idea works in reverse for short trades. Number 3 is more advanced, the liquidity sweep. Look for obvious highs or lows where many traders may place stop orders. Price can briefly move beyond that level, trigger those orders, and then reverse. Instead of entering on the first move, wait for rejection and a change in market structure. Then look for a trade in the opposite direction. So which one should you learn first? If you are a beginner, start with trend and pullback. Once you understand market structure, add breakouts and retests. Liquidity sweeps are better left for later. Thank you for watching.